Hi guys, my name is Professor Holy Rock. Right now I want to show you how to sell your USDT on Binance, okay? So you open your Binance app. Okay, let me start from the beginning. I wanted to sell, but I just because some people have been asking me this question. So let me start from the beginning. I just moved some. Okay, for those who watched the video where I put $10 and in 1 week I made $12. You saw that video. So I want to move $12 now into my bank account, and this is what I do. So I've already moved it, but so just watch. I go to wallet. You see wallet here. Mary, no noise, no noise. Sorry, Jerry, I'm talking to somebody. So you see wallet. I click the wallet. Now, of course, the money was here before features, so I moved it. Don't worry, next time I will do that. So, but let me just show you how to put the money in your bank account. That's what I came here for. So now the money is here. Now I want to move this money to my bank account so that I can see it physically. So I come to funding. You can see here you have overview, you have spot, you have funding. This is where you move it to. Okay, you move it to your funding. So you can see right now I want to move it. So I go to P2P. You can see here it says P2P. You see it? Your funding wallet, that's where you will do it. Okay, now please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be the first to see the video next time. You can ask your question in the comment section. I will answer you, okay? And I will even do a video to answer your question. So P2P, I click on P2P, or you click on P2P because I'm showing you how to do it. So now, so you tick. Binance will always show you this. You tick here, okay? Now you click it and you confirm. Now I want to just sell. I want to sell. Now you see here it is on buy. I don't want to buy. I want to sell. I want to sell. Okay, so I click on sell. I put it on sell. Hold on. Now I want to sell just 12,000 USDT. Sorry, 12,000 USDT now is 12 million naira. In fact, it's even more than 12 million naira. But just say 12 million. As at now that I'm recording this video on the 4th of October 2023. I might not post it on the 4th. I might post it on the 5th or in the day, but I'm recording. So now I want to search for. Now see here, these people are selling for. This person here is selling $1,005. This person too. So no, this is the price. Now you see here limits. You see here under here you are seeing $8 million to $50 million or naira, although it's a naira. Now this is the limit. Now I want to sell my dollars and get naira. So this person here is selling 30, or is ready to sell, to buy your dollars and give you 13 million or 50 million at once. But I don't have. That's not what I want to sell as at now. I want to sell just $12. So you will look for the person that want to buy that $12. If you try to sell to this person that are selling in thousands or millions, it will not. So just get that. So you have to. So let's search. So you have to scroll up, scroll up or down depending on. So see how I'm scrolling now. I'm scrolling down. Okay, I'm scrolling down. To make it easy, I can use the filter. But let me just show you. Let's be scrolling till we find. You can see here this person here is Sorry, I touched something. This person, you can see this one is selling for 110,000. No, let's still scroll down. If I use the filter, maybe I will also show you how to use the filter, but let me just do this. This is what I came here for now. So let's just keep scrolling and be looking. While you're scrolling, now you have seen somebody that can give you 41,000. No, this is not what I don't want to buy that amount. So let me scroll and look for somebody that wants to sell from anything from $11 upwards. That's the person I'm looking for. Let me look. Let me check in. So this is what you would do to sell your dollars. Okay. Now, these boys are making some noise. I don't want their noise to enter into this video. So okay, now good. I've seen somebody that can pay. They can sell for. You see here, they can sell for nine. That they can give me 9,000 to 374. So I can sell to this person now, and the person is even online right now. You can see the green, and this person is also verified. So let me just click on this sell. So I click here now. I click on this sell. You can see OPay, bank transfer. So let me click on. Don't mind those things that are coming. Okay, I will sort them out in the next. So I click on sell. I want to sell to this person that is Sergeant 05. Okay, because I want to sell $12 only, and the person can sell from 9 to higher amount. So now I click on all. You see here it says enter quantity. Let me here sorry, don't mind that. Enter quantity. So let me click on all, or you write it, either I click on all or you enter to a bet. Let me just click on all. Okay, just click on all here. Everything you want to say that will come. Then payment, you see here it says select payment method. You see it, I already have two banks that I put there. Okay, right now I will receive my alert. Are you getting me? I will receive my alert. So you just watch you. Now see, you see what the person is saying. You see total quantity $12.17. Now fiat amount 12,171 naira. That's what I will receive. Okay, so let me put select bank. I click on select bank, and I want you to come to my OP because OP is faster. OP, which is this. So this is OP. The first one here is OP. You see it's OP. So now I will click on sell. You see it. Let me just scroll and show you. So this is Sergeant's. This Sergeant has so many trades in the last 30 days. Let me just do a screenshot. But now, so I click on sell. Okay, sell. After I sell this, I will still come again to also sell another dollars at about $10 again. So this person will, let me chat, let me see. Hi, are you online? So you can chat this person. This person is online, as you can see here. Okay, so the person will, so Binance will, let me take away that. So just hold on, you will see. Now Binance is holding my dollars. So once the person pays, this place, I will now mark this place payment received. Okay, once I receive the payment, I will mark this place. Will now, once the person does what it's supposed to do, you see what will happen. Okay, so I'm waiting. You see it is saying expect to receive payment in this, but it will come faster than this. Now, so I put my small phone in loudspeaker so that once the alert comes in, you can hear it. So I'm waiting for this person to. Okay. No noise there. No noise. No noise. No noise. So, but wait. This is how you. And this dollars. When I bought these dollars, I bought it cheaper. But now dollars is above. As at now, it's above 1,000 naira. When I bought it, I bought this particular one at around 850 or so. Now this person has replied, paid. You see it? This person said paid. Okay, so but I have not received the money yet. So I have to. Sorry, let me carry this. sorry. Come, yeah, come. When you have little children at home, that's how you see the noise. So this person said paid. I have not received the money yet. Let me check fast. Let me check it fast so that I'll be sure.